Damian Lillard went off for 50 points in 3 quarters against the Sacramento Kings. He did this in 29 minutes of action. Look at him popping a deep 3 like it's nothing. Comes off the screen, another 3. He had 8 threes in this game and he shot 61% from the field, so he was very efficient. Working on the rookie shot clock cheese to end the first half, a step back, nothing but net. And he would carry this fire with him into the second half. They couldn't stop him. Comes off a screen, catch and shoot quickly, no hesitation. In transition, he's gonna split through 3 defenders, get a wide open layup. How did that happen? He splits the double again on the pick and roll, makes another layup, another pick and roll, another. Getting into the lane, making a layup with defenders around. The Kings are not playing defense. This is sad to watch. I mean, he's making some amazing moves, but man, you gotta block that man. If you got 3 people in the paint and he's in there, you gotta block him. But look at that. Oh man, he's on fire. They're double teaming, they're triple teaming. It doesn't matter. He gets in the lane, he's gonna do it again. Look at that layup. What? He just scooped it by Willie Cauley-Stein, and then another 3. He's feeling it tonight. Oh my goodness. The Kings get destroyed. Looking like the GOAT, the true GOAT. Oh, big slam. Oh, look at this. I've only got one gate for the finish.